everybody, thanks for stopping by. Today, barbecue smoked sausage sandwiches. Who doesn't like barbecue, and who doesn't like barbecue on a sandwich? You know, you're sitting around, this is what you got in the fridge, and you're wondering, what can I do with that? Well, I'm going to tell you, we're going to cut it up, and we're going to throw it in a hot pan and sear it until it's, I really think this brings out the flavor in that. Add your favorite barbecue sauce, let that sit in there and caramelize on top of this sausage. Then we're going to build our sandwich, serve it up with some tater chips, top this sandwich off with some coleslaw, some dill pickle slices. It's easy, it's quick, it's delicious. Let's get started. Now just cut your sausage up on the bias like you see here, then in a hot pan over medium-high heat, add a little oil, throw in your sausages, and just cook those for about 6-7 minutes until they're well seared. All the ingredients to this recipe is in the show more section below the video. Just click that, it'll pull it up. Now once your sausages are seared on all sides, go ahead and add your favorite barbecue sauce in this hot pan. That heat's going to mix with the sugars in this sauce and caramelize, and it's really going to stick to these sausages. And after a couple more minutes, it's time to build our sandwich. On the bottom bun, go ahead and add your sausages. Look at that. I wish y'all could smell that. It smells amazing. It's even going to taste better. Then top it off with an onion, some dill pickle slices, and a slop of coleslaw. Put that sesame seed bun on top, and you're ready to eat, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, tasty, nothing better, easy to do. Like I said, serve it up with some tater chips and a side of smoked sausage that's been barbecued in that sauce. And there you go. Easy to do. Hope you give it a try. Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear from you if you try it. Until next time, bye-bye, y'all.